Hey guys, welcome to Myron's O Gauge Trains, and right now I want to talk about fast track. And I know a lot of people, a lot of model railroaders, they don't like the fast track, but I actually do. I like the way it looks, and you know, despite having like short circuit problems and stuff like that, I actually don't mind it because I like to fix stuff. So all you have to do to fix something like that is to, you know, tighten the pins on the end of the rails here, right here, with a pair of pliers, but make sure that you don't pinch too tight. Or, like I did with this piece of track, I actually soldered these all together with 16 gauge wire, and it's my first time I've ever soldered. So bear with me because I'm still learning. So as you can see right here, I know that looks kind of bad. I actually soldered the plastic together, but that's only because these wires, you know, wouldn't be flush with the plastic if it was on the ground. So I kind of had to burn into the plastic to get these to be flat. But it works, you know. I know what's ugly and everything, but no one's going to see it, so I really don't care, you know. And I soldered every single piece together, and it worked pretty good. So I have one big piece here. I like fast track, and I like trying to figure out stuff. And that's just all I have to say about fast track. So, and if you want to solder your rails together, I mean, all you have to do is just use, like, it's 16 gauge wire, or you can use 18 gauge also. And all you do is you solder that tip and that tip with 16 gauge wire, like I did. This is your hot rail, this is your positive, and this is your negative. I mean, it's actually pretty easy. But, you know, I know this looks ugly and everything, but it's my first time doing it, so... And you know what? It works. I don't have any more drops in power with my fast track. And at the end of the day, I'm the boss of my own railroad, and, you know, that's all there is to it. Anyways, alright guys, have a good night. It's time to go clean my track. Sunday nights are the only times that I have time to make a lot of videos and do track maintenance, because I work 60 to 70 hours a week usually. So I'll talk to you later guys, have a good night.